Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop props easy method. Gather foam discs, wooden dowels, hot glue, acrylic paint, and clear gloss. Work on a protected surface. Begin by cutting foam into circles, stack and glue for thickness, insert dowels securely, sand edges lightly, prime and paint with bold stripes, seal with gloss, and add ribbon for finishing touches to personalize each prop. Start by laying out all materials where you can reach them easily and keep a damp cloth nearby for quick cleanups. I recommend testing paints on a scrap foam piece to confirm color and adhesion. Work in thin paint layers and allow drying time between coats, and remember safety when using hot glue and sharp tools to avoid burns or cuts. Take short breaks to prevent mistakes and stay creative with patterns. Glue stacked foam discs together, pressing firmly and wiping excess glue immediately to keep edges smooth. Once the glue sets, insert the dowel into the center with a dab of hot glue and hold until stable, then sand any rough joins. Paint base colors first, add stripe patterns using painter's tape, let paint dry fully, and finish with a clear sealant for durability and a polished look. Add ribbon or stickers for extra detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.